Welcome to Celebrities in History. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 20 mind-blowing celebrity events that happened on October 17th throughout history. From legendary birthdays to unforgettable moments, this date is packed with surprises that'll make you laugh, gasp, and maybe even dance. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into this star-studded journey together. Number 20. On October 17, 1972, rapper Eminem was born. Turning 51 today, he's still losing himself in the music and proving that age ain't nothing but a Slim Shady number. Number 19. Wyclef Jean, born on October 17, 1969, turns 55 today. The former Fugees member continues to strum his guitar and make us wonder, where's Wyclef? Well, he's right here, rocking out. Number 18. Actress Felicity Jones was born on October 17, 1983, turning 41 today. The Rogue One star proves that the Force is strong with her. Age is just a hyperdrive number. Number 17. Country singer Alan Jackson, born October 17, 1958, turns 66 today. He's still chasing that neon rainbow and showing us that good country music never gets old. Number 16. On October 17, 1918, Hollywood legend Rita Hayworth was born. She dazzled the silver screen before passing at 68, but her glamour lives on. Gilda would be proud. Number 15. Reggae royalty Ziggy Marley was born on October 17, 1968. Turning 56 today, he's carrying on his father Bob Marley's legacy, stirring it up with peace and love. Number 14. Playwright Arthur Miller, born October 17, 1915, gave us classics like Death of a Salesman. He passed at 89, leaving behind a dramatic impact. Talk about a man of the theater. Number 13. Daredevil Evil Knievel was born on October 17, 1938. He soared over obstacles before passing at 69. His stunts were sky high, and so was his adrenaline. Number 12. George Wendt, born October 17, 1948, turns 76 today. Best known as Norm from Cheers, he's still the guy we'd love to grab a beer with, where everybody knows your name. Number 11. Actress Margot Kidder, born October 17, 1948, soared as Lois Lane before passing at 69. She made us all believe a man could fly, and that reporters can be superheroes too. Number 10. On October 17, 1967, the musical Hair premiered off-Broadway. It let the sunshine in and put the hip in hippie culture. Groovy, man. Number 9. On October 17, 2017, Canadian rocker Gord Downie passed away at 53. The tragically hip frontman left a nation mourning and a legacy that'll rock on forever. Number 8. The war film Fury was released on October 17, 2014. Brad Pitt in a tank fighting Maces. Need we say more? Roll out. Number 7. The Colbert Report premiered on October 17, 2005. Stephen Colbert became everyone's favorite truthiness pundit, and late-night TV got a whole lot funnier. Number 6. Astronaut Mae Jemison was born on October 17, 1956. Turning 68 today, she was the first African-American woman in space. Talk about out-of-this-world achievements. Number 5. On October 17, 2006, The Prestige premiered in Los Angeles. Magic, rivalry, and Hugh Jackman. Now that's a disappearing act we can't forget. Number 4. Birdman took flight on October 17, 2014. The film soared to Oscar glory, proving that sometimes you just need to wing it. Number 3. French actress Danielle Darrieux passed away on October 17, 2017, at 100 years young. With a career spanning 8 decades, she truly aged like fine wine. Number 2. Oliver Stone's film W was released on October 17, 2008. A presidential biopic that made us say, wait, what? Politics meets popcorn. Number 1. On October 17, 2017, singer Ed Sheeran announced tour cancellations after breaking his arms in a bicycle accident. He couldn't shape a view his way out of that one, but fans still gave him a hand. Thanks for tuning into this star-packed ride through October 17th. If you had a blast, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily celebrity adventures. Drop a comment below about which fact blew your mind. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Stay fabulous, and see you next time on Celebrities in History.